Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Danbury's virtual showroom. My name's Al Lucchino. Today I'm going to introduce you to and give you a walk around and review to the 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. But before I do that, you're liable to see this on anything from YouTube to Facebook to TikTok. And if you're watching the reel, which is limited by Facebook to a 60-second short, in the comments section I'll have the link to the full video. Now, Harley-Davidson of Danbury, it's a 30-year family business. We're located right here, exit 7 off I-84 on Federal Road. And I want to take you through this beautiful 2026 in Dark Billiard Grey. It's a Road Glide. What the Road Glide has is a frame-mounted fairing. It's less affected by crosswinds and turbulence than the traditional Electroglide style fairing. We call it also the Batwing fairing. In addition to that, the Road Glide, because the fairing is frame mounted, the steering response and handling it 25, 45 miles an hour, very, very light, really handles much better than any touring bike has a right to. Now, this 2026 version has 105 horsepower and about 130 foot-pounds of torque, a very wide usable power band because 2026 has the variable valve timing as standard equipment. This one also has the black trim option from Harley-Davidson. We've got the one-touch saddlebags that open with one hand. So again, all these great features, paint, chrome, finish, second to none. We've got the 12.3 Skyline operating system here. So you've got infotainment with Apple CarPlay available. You've got cruise control. You've got ABS. You've got cornering enhanced ABS as well as traction control and cornering enhanced traction control. Now, what's really cool is you have very usable ride modes here. You've got range, street, and sport with this motorcycle, so very easy to use and operate. Harley's done a good job with that. There's a little variability. You can move the handlebars around for adjustment. We can raise and lower the shift levers, all the little touches we do here at Harley-Davidson of Danbury that your local dealer probably doesn't do. We've also got a pigtail, which is for a smart charging harness. We install that on the motorcycle. So again, you can maintain the battery because remember, with a computer-controlled vehicle, it's always running in the background. Now, walking around and showing you, we've got high-quality made-in-USA Dunlop tires. We've got Brembo brakes, world-class, dual discs in the front, single disc in the rear. Your drive system is a belt drive. It's quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free. You've got a 6-speed transmission. It's fuel-injected. So no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, no sputtering. Very easy to ride and operate. Harley-Davidson is also working to lower the riding weight of the motorcycle. Again, this is not a hard bike to ride if you got some experience as a motorcycle rider. We've also already installed the black 4-point docking hardware so you can put a backrest or an optional color match tour pack. Now, Harley-Davidson of Danbury, and my focus here is I like high performance. This bike responds really well to stage 2 type cam upgrades. It's got the new generation 2-cylinder heads with an improved valve spring package. At Harley-Davidson of Danbury, we have our DynoJet 250i dynamometer here where we can test and tune. I happen to like and recommend, and my dealership is a factory authorized Zippers performance dealer. I like the 528 cam, which now fits in this as a bolt-in. Great upgrade. Come talk to me about exhaust systems, but one of our most popular is our Jekyll and Hyde multi-mode exhaust. You've got 3 modes, quiet, medium, and loud, all controlled by a push button. It's not on this bike yet, but it can be if it's yours. It's made in the Netherlands, stainless steel plated, corrosion resistant, a super exhaust system, and we're a factory authorized dealer for Jekyll and Hyde. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Thanks for watching this video. We can take this bike for a test ride if you've got a motorcycle license, and we're here Tuesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and we're here Saturdays, 10 to 4. Thanks, and we appreciate your business. Let's go riding together. The weather is good, and the spring riding season's here.